Hey guys, this is Sarah. I recently became an active traveler. So I actually plan for myself a couple days a month where I go to check out places that I've never been in. And there is one thing that a traveler never wants to do is to use their own car. So I actually decided to reach out to a couple of car rental companies, check out their offers, see what their best deal is. And that time one of my friends recommended to me Carla app, and let me tell you, it is a lifesaver. I have been using their app for almost a month now, and I found out actually they have deals all over the world. So basically, because they work with local and very well-known international brands, they have a very affordable rates. And the most thing that I like is that they have an extra services. It is of course optional, but in a case if you purchase it, it saves for you a lot of time and a lot of money as well. So one more thing that got me really amazed about Carla app is they offer you the option of book now and pay later. So you can basically split your payment and you can pay over time up to 6 months. The application itself, it is a very user friendly. Simply you swipe left if you didn't like the car and you just swipe right for the match.